Hi, Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. I'm Tina, and thank you so much for visiting with me today. Today, I am doing an unboxing. So I have been introducing some new things to my channel. This is a first-time box for Jane's Agenda. I decided, you know what? I'm gonna check it out and see what it is all about. So I am going to be unboxing this one here with you today. Now, if this is the first time that you are visiting my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for visiting with me today. And if you are returning, then welcome back and thank you so much. Now, if you are familiar with my channel, then you have probably seen some of my unboxings before, and I really like to be surprised. I have not opened this. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in here because I like to avoid any kind of sneak peeks because I just love being surprised. So, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous, like gorgeous. On the inside, look at that. It says hello, and it's so pretty. I just love this. Oh my gosh. I am such a gusher, by the way, so if you have never seen any of my unboxings before, just be prepared, I guess. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so I am one that does not like to tear stickers because I don't know, I just like to open things up kind of like slowly. And I know the sticker's not going to tear because that's pretty hardy, but the tissue paper might, or it might not. So far, so good. Oh my gosh, I did it. Okay, so I'm like a pro when it comes to opening up presents without tearing the paper. I used to do that when I was a kid. So, oh my goodness. Wow. I'm seeing all kinds of goodies in here, and fall is my favorite color. So I'm seeing a fall trend, which makes sense because we're at the end of August now. Let's see, let me pull this card out. So this is so pretty. As the seasons change, so do we. May we be aware that we are shifting just like the wind. Oh, that's really pretty, and I love this. You know, I have to say that fall is my all-time favorite season. Yeah, so I'm really excited about everything that's going to be in here because look at this beautiful, deep, like, tealy, oh my goodness. So I don't know if she has like a card in here. I'm not seeing like a card of everything that's in here. It just looks like a whole bunch of really awesome goodies. All right, so what I decided to do was just move everything off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through like each of the items and show them to you that way. But oh my goodness, you will still hear me gush because I haven't like picked through the stuff. I've just pushed it to the side. We've got some washi here that I'm trying to, here we go. Open that up. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this. Don't give up and don't give in. I love that washi. That's so pretty. Just really want to make sure that you can see that. And it's got like this like kind of like watercoloring print to it, and it's a gold foil. Love that. Oh my gosh. And then we've got a mild liner in here. Oh, in that same coloring, which I don't even think I have this color, so that is awesome. Oh, and then this one here, which I think I've already showed this one to you. Fall is my favorite color. These sticky notes are so pretty. Here they are with the birds on there, and then it's got her little logo there. Love that. Just kind of unwrapping things off to the side, but look at these. I love these. Keep it together. I love these clips. These paper clips are so unique, and I love it. Love them, and I just feel like, you know, they're like they're A's from Jane's Agenda, right? Like that's how I'm feeling, like that angle. Really, really cute. And look at this beautiful snap-in divider with those birds are so pretty, and that foil on there is just stunning. So this is definitely like a smaller one, which is fine because then you could put it in your book and then, you know, it'll stick out the top. So we've got like a little, like a bookmark there. All right, now we're moving into some bigger items. Oh my goodness, what do we got? So before I take this apart, I just want to show you, look at how pretty this is packaged with her sticker on there. Oh my gosh, this is a cover. Oh, no way. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I didn't know if it was just like a dashboard, but oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Let me hold this like that to take the glare. And wow, these are beautiful. Wow, I love that. Look at that with that gold foil in there. It's just leaves and clear, and oh my goodness, it's stunning. Oh my gosh, this is a vellum dashboard, and it says life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. Wow, this is really, really pretty, and I love the vellum. It's like, it's thick enough, but also light enough to not like bulk up your planner, which is pretty cool, and I'm loving it. Loving it. Oh my gosh, I am, whoa. There are 3 fall dashboards. These are beautiful. I mean, these are beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And let's see, it's the same thing on the other side. And then I love this. Look at the colors. And teal, by the way, is like my second favorite color these days. So this is like perfect. I love that. And then look at these beautiful leaves with the teal in the background. Wow, very, very generous items in this box. I am super impressed. Super, super impressed. Oh my gosh, and it continues. It just like continues. Okay, so what I have here are some inserts, and I'm pretty excited. I have never gotten inserts from her before. She's got a very minimalist style, but right away, I just have to say that I am loving the font on the days of the week. It's really, really pretty. And let's see here. We've got Monday through Sunday. So it ends like the end of August here and then into September. And the layout is like a vertical layout with a space here, okay, which is pretty cool. And then you've got some lines in through here with some really little like check boxes there. I like how subtle they are. I appreciate check boxes. Personally, I like the check boxes when they're in front, but these are on the side, so something a little bit different. But yeah, I'm loving this. The font on here is what's really drawing me in right now. I just really like that. Okay, let's open this up and let's see here. So this is another week. Okay, so it's 1 week on 1 page. Got it. All right, so we've got September, because there's a lot in through here. Oh, and then we've got October. Wow. So, wow, what did she give us? Oh my goodness. October. Oh my goodness. November. What? So like November. I don't know where this is going to end. Oh my goodness. We're into December. Are you kidding me? She gave us like the whole rest of the year. What? Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. So I thought she was being generous and I hadn't even gotten to this. So this is pretty awesome. And the paper, I love the way this feels. Like this feels really, really nice. Really like smooth and like really smooth. Loving it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is like never ending. Okay, so now we have, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Okay, we've got some, an insert here. It says fall bucket list, movies to watch. Oh, I love that. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? Look at, oh my gosh. Okay, fall bucket list, books to read, things to do, and then just to whatever, you know, make it your own. And that's just the cardboard to keep this sturdy. So wow, I love it. I love this, and I love the like colors are beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then there's one last thing which I don't have to unpackage, which is a bag. Look at this. A canvas bag. The straps are pretty nice. That has her logo on it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so I am really excited about everything here. And the one thing I did not see was any type of like inventory card in here. So it's just really kind of like you just kind of keep going through the items and, you know, seeing everything that's in here. But lots of really, really like cute stuff, pretty fall deco, useful items. I mean, oh my goodness, just so much stuff. All right, so this was a beautiful box. I am really, really happy that I was able to get this. There's some really beautiful items in here, and I believe that some of the items might be available for you to purchase like separately. This one, it happens to be a size 7 for the Happy Planner Classic size. I'm not sure what sizes she has available because I believe that for the box I'm talking about, for the box, I think she only has select sizes available since this was her very first one. I think she kind of wanted to see how things took off, which is totally understandable because any other shop would do the same thing. So go and check her out. I will put the link below, and oh my goodness, wow, I'm so happy. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and you know, I hope you go and check out her shop, Jane's Agenda, because lots of really pretty like clear colors with like details on them. And if you like that more minimalist look, then you will definitely like the things that she has to offer in her shop. So go take a peek at Jane's Agenda, and be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. And I am on Instagram, so follow me there at It's a Wonderful Plan. I'm also on Facebook if you prefer Facebook. And thank you so much for joining me today. And I will see you next time. Bye.